Yo, what's good, everyone on YouTube? It's your boy Emerson Kicks. I'm back again with another unboxing video. If you're new to the channel, please make sure to leave a comment down below, leave a like, and subscribe if you want to. Um, this is a package from Undefeated.com. Now, if you guys are aware of the company Undefeated, they've collabed with Nike multiple times on sneakers and whatnot. So I already got the unboxing started. I was actually surprised to see these sitting on their website in most sizes, so I decided to get them before someone else would. I think they still have most sizes still available. So, of course, coming from the States, you have to deal with DHL, and I hate dealing with DHL sometimes. So, yeah, I got my handy letter opener today that I usually do. I hate honestly dealing with them because I dealt with them in the past and their service is just awful. I usually deal with FedEx, UPS, or Canada Post. Yeah, let's see what they look like. Well, I've seen pictures of them, but I haven't seen them in person. Actually, I saw one guy wearing them at my work one day. It was a customer, but I don't know what size he was wearing. Says Nike Undefeated Air Max 90. The colorway is called Pacific Blue and Vivid Purple. They were 168 US. So with the duties and shipping and all that stuff included, they can do that thing. It was like 268 Canadian. And they did come from Undefeated Los Angeles. So yeah, but here's the box. It's an all black Nike box. It says Undefeated on the side in all black. And went with my true size, which is a 9.5 in all Air Maxes. It says Air Max 90 Undefeated. USD suggested retail price 150. Pacific Blue and Vast Gray. That's one of those slide out boxes, not one of those the flip lid ones. Oof. These motherfucker. I'm always dropping stuff. Hope the box didn't get damaged, but yeah, oof, these are. I was hesitant on these. I had mixed feelings, but I was like, dude, I'm getting an Undefeated sneaker for retail. Might as well do it. I've never owned a suede Air Max 90 before. These are totally different looking than your regular Air Max 90s. But I have to say, I don't know if this is like suede or if it's nubuck or wherever it is, but it's really like soft. And then on the heel it says Undefeated in this like Volt green. Then you got the Nike Air tab in this like see-through kind of turquoise color with white Nike Air logo on it. And then I got the Undefeated logo on the tongue in blue on a white patch. Got the pull tab on the heel for easy access if you want to slip them on and off. And then you got the purple toe box in this like mesh on this dark purple background with this white stripe design. And then the midsole is mostly white. It says Air Max in black right here. And then you got this see-through blue air bubble with matching mudguard in blue also. The outsole is mostly a mix of this like royal blue and this like icy blue outsole. Insoles in this like white and infrared Nike design. And then you got two sets of laces for your option. You got this like royal blue, or you got the Volt green. They come with this flat gray lace in it already. I don't know what color. I'm stuck between either selling these or keeping these. I don't know, but we'll have to see. I think I might keep them because they were expensive, and I'm like, I'm not down to pay that much, anytime soon. And then same thing goes for this one. You got this like speckled midsole, like white and purple, same as the other shoe. They didn't go with your traditional like nylon tongue. They went with this like weird, I don't know what material this is, but it feels like carbon fiber right here. And then same thing with like quality, craftsmanship, you know, everything on this is amazing. Um, and as you know, Undefeated is a very well-known brand. They've collaborated with Nike and some other brands multiple times. And there's nothing else in the box really. So yeah, but these are reselling. So I'm surprised people kind of slept on these because you can still pick them up if you go on Undefeated's website. Oh yeah, and there's another set of two laces for um. Oh no, that's the same one, right? And they just were on the right shoe instead of the left one. But yeah. So if you want to switch out the laces, it's your choice. Um, but yeah, I don't know. I hope these fit because I went with my true size. They look kind of bulky. I don't want to have to size down because in Air Max 90s, if I go size 9, they're too tight. If they're size 10, they're too big. So 9.5 is perfect. Got the perfect amount of toe room and all that. But yeah, sorry this review wasn't very detailed or anything. I literally just woke up, haven't even ate anything, haven't even had coffee or anything. I'm still like half asleep, but much love, guys. Keep watching. I'm in, I'm out. This is going up now. Much love. Leave a like, a comment down below, and subscribe. Until later, guys, take care. Enjoy the rest of your day. Love you. Peace. Bye. You'll be easy. Peace.